Raven transitions, fire transitions, smoke transitions. These effects look insanely cool, right? A lot of people are curious about how these eye-catching transitions are made, but the truth is, it's actually super easy. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate these weird and amazing AI transition videos in just one click using Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Edimakor. First, if you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Next, launch Edimakor and click New Project. Step 2. Generate the transition video. Now head over to AI Video Templates. Here, you'll find a massive library packed with stylish, trending, and cinematic video templates to choose from. With these ready-made templates, you can quickly create viral-style videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Next, select AI Transition and choose the Kling AI model. After that, upload 2 photos, one as the start frame and the other as the end frame. Then customize the duration and resolution, and finally click Generate. After a short wait, Edimakor will automatically create a smooth and visually stunning transition video for you. Step 3. Export the video. Next, click Export to save your video. You can also directly share this awesome transition video to social media platforms from here. If you upload it with the related hashtags and successfully publish it, you can even earn bonus credits from Edimakor. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.